from 2K to $2 million. Today is July 9th. The update, you see the current balance 2,191. I'm currently in the ETH position. Last time I made a video, I was in the ADA position. Let me show. I've been in a few more positions since then. As you know, yesterday or early yesterday morning, the market went down. So it's been a lot of volatility in the last few days, but I had that ADA. I had a short in ADA, had a long in ETH. So I've been going back and forth. That's what I've been doing. That was on the 6th. That closed that ADA. My last video, the ADA for $211 is what I closed. That was on the 6th of July, but then I had some losses, and my last three trades have been in the positive. So as you can see, like I said, we currently $8 down in ETH. I'm thinking big on ETH right now because I think we are near a good support zone, even though we went below that a few days ago, but we came back and seem to have reclaimed it, that support. And I'm anticipating, as many experts are, the approval of spot Ethereum ETFs and the launch of them within the next week or so. So I'm expecting a big move and then a big dump. So that's what I'm expecting. So I'm hoping to catch that move. And I currently have, well, this is really, I'm expecting it to be a little up and down within the next couple of days. So I do currently have a sale order at 3,100. Let me see. That only give me 88 bucks. But like I said, it's from 2K to 2 million, man. It's a long journey. We just started on the 5th of July, I believe it was, when we made the first video, the 2K to $2 million reboot. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, man. So I'm gonna keep the updates coming. Hopefully, I do one every day especially during the work week. Maybe not so much so on the weekends, but some weekends I guess I'll do an update and start to give a little more detail on what I'm doing, how I'm getting into the trades, why I'm getting into the trades, a little technical analysis. I have knowledge of technical analysis. I've been trading for 3 years, so of course I know how to use technical analysis, but I go a little bit beyond that. That's not my only reason for making certain trades, and I try to make trades that are not only based on technical analysis and fundamental analysis, but I have certain rules that I like to apply to my trades, whether I follow them or not. That's a whole nother story. But I think that based on the sentiments of the markets, based on the time in crypto, we know that right now we're in the bull market. Those who say the bull market is over, they're just talking. But based on history, we're still in the bull market, and it's a lot of volatility during the bull market. And so there's going to be some corrections, some dips, but we're in an overall upward trend. And so if you can catch some strong support levels, it may dip some more, but more than likely you're going to be able to catch the wave as long as you're not in high leverage, or if you're cross trading, you are not having a low liquidation price. And this is one of the rules I would say during this bull market. First of all, don't trade any coin that doesn't have at least 4 years of charted price action. So that's one of the rules. Don't trade a coin that hasn't or doesn't have at least 4 years of charted price action. Why? Does that mean it's safe? No, not necessarily. But it shows some stability. It shows that it has some longevity. And so if you're trading a coin that has at least 4 years of charted price action, then you can have a little more confidence that it's not going to zero. So yeah, I try to focus on those type of coins, or I will be focusing on those type of coins in this 2K to $2 million journey. And one of the things that I've learned with cross trading, if you can, like right now, you see my liquidation prices at 2,200. But of course, cross trading, a lot of people are not familiar, may not be familiar with cross trading in futures, but you can actually have a zero liquidation price. And so if you're trading something like a Bitcoin or at this moment like an ETH, you pretty much can bank that it's not going to zero. And because of that, you can actually trade and not risk getting liquidated. We're in the bull market now. Yeah, you may not have as much in gains, but if you're not getting liquidated at any point in time, then over the long haul, I think you'll still come out pretty good. And it doesn't come with the stress of liquidation or pending liquidation. So that's what I would suggest for especially people who are new into the market or those who get liquidated a lot or tends to lose a lot of money. Why not just trade with an extremely low liquidation price or no liquidation price at all? Now, let me say this. When you're dealing with those coins, especially those coins, most altcoins, I'm going to just say most altcoins, in the bull market, they can have 70, 80% dips, man. I mean, really, we've been going down. I mean, we've had some upswings, but pretty much we've been going down since March, around March 15th. The market has been going down since then. Just think, ADA was at 81 cents in March. Algorand was at over 32 cents in March. Matic was over $1.25 in March. Matic is at 49 cents right now, a little less than 50 cents. So it has, these coins have dipped almost 70%, okay, in the bull market. This is not the bear market. These coins have dipped almost 70% in the bull market. And these are top altcoins. So I'm saying to you is that, or what I'm saying to you is, if you're trading at any point in time in the bull market, you can have a 70, 80% dip. So at worst, unless you're trading Bitcoin or Ethereum, to be honest, you really, even though I know I'm gonna still take a little more risk than that because I believe we've already dipped a lot. So I don't got it dipping a lot more. Even with Germany selling Bitcoin, even with the distributions of Mount Gox, I don't think it's gonna be dipping a whole lot more. Some people are calling for $40,000 Bitcoin, $39,000 Bitcoin. I'm not saying it's not possible to go down to 39,000, but I wouldn't bet on it not. I wouldn't bet on it going to 39,000. As a matter of fact, I'm willing to take a bet that it don't go to 39,000 rather than a bet that it does. But anyway, if you're trading altcoins, really just trade with no liquidation price, and you don't have to worry about getting liquidated. But you have a lot of potential upside because you expected most of these altcoins to at least go up 10x from where we're at right now. I don't think Ethereum is going to 10x, but pretty much most of these altcoins, if we do anything like we've done past bull markets, you can expect from the prices that we're at now for them to go up 5 to 10x at a minimum, 5x at a minimum. So you're going to have a good upside, no liquidation price. Don't have to worry about the stress of the market going down if you're willing to hold the position, or you trade with a stop loss. I don't really care for trading with a stop loss. I just don't. I've lost a lot of money not trading with a stop loss, but hey, Guess I got to learn the hard way, and I'm still not going to trade with a stop loss. That's just what it is. Anyway, I'll talk to you next update. Until then, please like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you next video.